Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this olive green eyeshadow look. A lot of you requested for me to do a tutorial on it. I was already going to do a tutorial anyways because I am using the e.l.f. Cosmetics and Chipotle collection, and this is not sponsored at all. I just really wanted to do this look using this collection because I love Chipotle, and when I saw that they were going to come out with a collection, I was so excited, and I was more excited when I saw that they sent it to me. So I'm gonna be using this collection today. Oh my gosh, I have so much allergies. I don't know why, but I'm gonna be using this collection today. I'm gonna show you the collection really quickly before I get into the video. But this collection did come, this collection did come with a lip gloss, a avocado beauty sponge, which is so cute, an eyeshadow palette, and they also came with a makeup bag, but it's in the bottom. I'm gonna show you guys right now in a little bit, but let me show you the avocado sponge because that's my favorite thing from this collection. I love avocados, so when I saw this, I was literally like dying because it's so cute. But this is called the Extra Walk sponge set, and this is $10, which is not bad at all because they're really good sponges. But yeah, I love this. This is my favorite thing from the collection. I do recommend it. It's so soft, blends everything so nicely. So it did come with a lip gloss, which I said, this one right here. This one is called Hot Salsa, but I didn't use it in this video because I'm wearing like a nude brown lipstick, and I didn't know how it was gonna look, so I'll probably use it on my next video to see how it works. But it did come with the ElfXChipotle eyeshadow palette, and it has beautiful colors. As you could see, this eyeshadow palette is so beautiful. And for today's look, I did use this eyeshadow right here, this one and this one and this one as well. But I highly recommend this palette. If you want this palette, you should totally go get it before it sells out because it's such a good palette, and honestly I'm very impressed. This collection also came with a makeup bag, and it looks like this. It literally looks like the Chipotle chip bag. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I'm gonna put a picture on the screen. And honestly, they went off on this collection. So I'm so obsessed with this makeup bag. I'm not gonna use it because I really just want to have it there for decoration. So that's the whole collection. Let me know what you think about this collaboration in the comment section. And let's go ahead and get started because I know you guys want to see how I created this eyeshadow look. So let's just jump straight to the video. So I'm going to be using my CBD facial oil by e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is amazing. I love using this facial oil. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. You guys know I live for this foundation. It's my favorite. And I'm applying this with a foundation brush, and then I'm going to be blending it out with my avocado beauty sponge. I'm going to be using my NARS Creamy Concealer to conceal. This is in the shade Custard. I'm also going to be contouring today. I never really contour, but today I felt like it. So I'm using my LA Girl concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and this is actually a really good concealer to contour. So I'm just going to be doing that. I usually contour like my forehead, but I had already done it off camera. I really wanted to talk to you about this Huda Beauty foundation brush because it's amazing. I love using this brush so much to blend my foundation, and as you could tell, I'm using it to blend my contour, and it works amazing. I highly recommend it. If you're looking for a good brush, this is the one. I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics BFF Snatched palette to apply bronzer and blush. So moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow called Hot Salsa on my crease, and I'm going to apply this eyeshadow using a Morphe M441 brush. Next, I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow called Lettuce. These names are so cute, but I'm applying this on the crease as well. This brush is by the Makeup Shack. I don't know the name of it, but I highly recommend the Makeup Shack brushes. I did cut my crease, and I'm also going to be setting it with translucent powder. And after I do that, I'm going to be applying Lettuce on the outer V of my eye. And for my eyelid color, I'm going to be applying this beautiful green eyeshadow called Guac, and I love this color. This is my favorite color from the palette. I'm just going to apply Lettuce on my lower lash line, and to finish up this look, I'm going to be applying this beautiful gold eyeshadow called Corn Salsa. And look how beautiful it looks. I'm so obsessed with this eyeshadow look. After that, this eyeshadow look is all completed, and I'm going to be moving on to my lips. So for lipstick today, I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick by BH Cosmetics. This is from the BFF collection. This is in the shade Camel. And I wanted to try the lip gloss, but I didn't end up trying it because it's a reddish kind of lip gloss. And I honestly didn't think it was going to go with this look. So I didn't use it. But either way, this eyeshadow tutorial looks beautiful. And once I finish doing that, this look is all completed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and leave me a comment down below. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.